Dati yung pasok, talagang I gave her hell. Talagang sinabihan ko siya, who do you think you are? You think you're famous? Who are you? What name have you made? Have you carved your name in stone in show business? Your calls at 9 and you come down from your van at 12 na nakapajama. Really? Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi pa pinapanak ka magbabastos sa akin. If you want to continue taping this soap like this, do it yourself. Eh, yung leading man ko doon, yun din. Yeah, tell her, Miss D, grabe na, grabe na. Sabi, hindi ko na name names, pero talagang, ngayon, hindi. Sa tingin ko, hindi. Andyan lang siya. But she didn't really like, make it like, big. Kasi nga attitude eh. Yung parang, grabe parang feeling mo, ikaw na yung reyna dito. Ganyan. Pero lahat kami kasi mga senior stars kami nun. Tapos talagang pinaghihintay niya kami lagi. Alis siya pag lunchtime, babalik siya, alas 3 na, basa pa yung buhok. Parang hello. Tapos kami, antay kami ng antay. Ay, hanggang sa, sabi na nung leading man ko, tell her na, Miss D, come on, let's not allow her, ganyan. I'm so tired, ganyan. Kasi pagdating niya, sabi ko, where are you going, tita? Sabi ko, we're ready to leave. What did you think? We were born to wait for you? Excuse me, I think you are. Sabi ko, are you somebody? Excuse me, you haven't made a mark. Have you proven yourself at least in acting? You can't even cry.
Anong sagot niya, Miss B?
Wala, parang sabi niya ako sa mami niya, chuchu. Sabi ko, sige, papuntay mo dito. Sabi ko, mag-showdown kami ng nanay mo, hindi ako natatakot.